Oh, she's gorge out today. She's a little cooler than it was yesterday, but we're back at Lockhart's. We got some toys. Ooh, Sea-Doo. We got a bit of a different build today. Bit of an unboxing. And Mr. Justin ready to rip this thing apart. So we got a Outlander XMR 1000. Basically the same as that thing. She's gonna be red? Red. Your favorite color? So we got, sure. So we got a few parts here. We got some rims over here. There's one apart up there. And some surprises in the boxes. So let's get after it and get her done here. What do we got? Ooh, I see some colors already. A little green. I think this thing's gonna look nice. And we'll throw some red on there. Oh, the old wincheroo. Oh, she's full of water. Ta-da! The old front snorkels. Your favorite. Whatever, she's gonna look good either way. This thing looks mean. They really pack her tight in here, huh? We gotta shut the door because there's too much of a party going on outside with the music, so. It's so nice out. Bye, sunshine. So everything's getting swapped. I think you should install it and then take it back off, and then we'll put the parts on. It makes sense. It's for the gram. Keep the kids happy, right? For the shot. It makes sense. Ugh. There we go. We got another one over here all ripped apart. Oh, yeah. Look at all that. And then yes, one up on the shelf over there, also ripped apart. I believe it's the same as this one. You could do this with your eyes shut, eh? Is there anything to do with like the electric ones? Have you done many electric ones?
Yeah, they're actually starting to sell it now.
Oh yeah. Probably after Ostacruiser took her through the pond in Texas there.
Yeah.
Did you see that video?
Yeah.
That was hilarious. I'm like, I bet he's on his electric ATV and all of a sudden it pops up. I'm like, that's neat.
Yeah.
Didn't even get electrocuted.
No, they're nicer than those.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, well, easier.
I guess there's less fluids and
Yeah.
everything's probably already set. How much will it pop? Boof. There we go. It's like Christmas Day for you.
Yeah. Present.
Is that front piece?
That is the front.
Yes, the winch has to be switched over. What do we want to throw on next? Did we lose something already?
He doesn't have the back piece.
Isn't that the back piece? We missing something? Fender next? Never easy, eh? This thing's definitely gonna look good in red. We got the bat wings off. Little air gauge in there. Easy to boost. You can put your phone in there. Good to go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. A little more red. All the plastics. Wonder if this thing will be sold by the end of the week.
Sometimes they sell before they even get off the
Off the shelf.
yeah.
People want something different, right? Some red fenders. Should just leave it like that.
Half and half.
Yeah, green front, red back. You're gonna be able to tell once it's covered in mud. Foot bag. I see some red ones over there.
On the side, but it's pretty good.
There you go. Your favorite part. She's looking good. Quick rivet job. So this is what it looked like before, without the towels. Now just to do the springs and wheels, and one more bumper. And big old bumper. Swap the winch on there. One more thing, we got the red bars too. I was looking at those like they were a bumper, but should definitely be matching nice now. Show us the grip secret. Oh yeah. It's like you've done this before. I remember we used to spray some paint on the inside, slide them on, let her dry. All the little secrets. Lift her up. Let's do the fun stuff now. You think there'd be like a built-in jack in these tables?
Yeah, they have like the flat ones that you spin.
Oh yeah. Don't crunch the ceiling there. Been there, done that once.
No, it's quad, but with slugs in there.
Oops.
Yeah. Into it.
Yeah. What a collection. All right, NASCAR, let's see how fast you can get it on.
Tires I can change, but springs I gotta go in the others.
Yeah, I guess it's a bit of a pain. Missing some caps. They stick out a little bit, I guess, or different rims. She's looking pretty good though. Couple units up here. Which one are you guys taking? What's your go-to color? Boom. Beauty. Another machine in the books. Enjoy it. If you guys have any ideas of what you want to see next, let us know in the comments. And yeah, see what else we can do. Maybe a Defender next or a Sea-Doo. See you guys later.